viewers, today in this session we will understand the classification of fishes up to orders. The classification is as follows: phylum Chordata, group Craniata, subphylum Vertebrata, division Gnathostomata, superclass Pisces. The characteristics of superclass Pisces are paired fins and gills and skin with dermal scales. Superclass Pisces has two classes as follows: Class 1 Chondrichthyes and Class 2 Osteichthyes. We will study both of this class in detail. Class 1 Chondrichthyes. The characteristics include cartilaginous fishes, placoid scales, mouth and two nostrils located on ventral side, and males with claspers. It has one subclass, that is Selachii. Examples include sharks. The common characteristics include spiracle behind each eye, gills in separate clefts, and presence of cloaca. Subclass Selachii has two orders as follows: Order 1 Pleurotremata and Order 2 Hypotremata. Order 1 Pleurotremata. The examples studied here are Scoliodon, Stegostoma and Sphyrna. They have 5 to 7 pairs of lateral gill slits. Starting with example number 1, that is Scoliodon, which is also commonly known as dogfish. Geographical distribution. Scoliodon has wide distribution, habit and habitat. The natural home of Scoliodon is the sea, but some live in estuaries and even ascend the rivers. They are predaceous and voracious feeders. Its spindle-shaped body is divided into head, trunk and tail. Dorsal and lateral sides of body are pigmented dark grey, while the ventral side is white. Head is dorso-ventrally compressed and flattened into snout. It contains ventrally situated slit-like mouth. Identification. Shark has raised tail and pointed snout. Now moving ahead to another example of the same order, that is Stegostoma, which is also known as tiger shark. Geographical distribution. Tiger shark is abundantly found in India. Habit and habitat. It is found in open sea. It is predaceous and active swimmer. Stegostoma is viviparous and is commonly called tiger shark because of dark stripes over yellow background. Its elongated body is divided into head, trunk and tail with distinct spiracle and heterocircle tail. Identification. This fish has colored stripes. Studying the last example, that is Sphyrna, which is also commonly known as hammer-headed shark. Geographical distribution. Sphyrna is found in all tropical and subtropical sea waters. Habit and habitat. It is adapted for deep sea waters and is voracious feeder. Elongated body divided into head, trunk and tail. It is called hammer-headed shark due to the hammer-shaped head, which is produced into two prominent lateral lobes supported by corresponding cartilaginous outgrowths. Mouth is ventral in position and crescentic. Identification. Hammer-shaped head. Studying another order, that is order number 2, Hypotremata. The common characteristics of this order include depressed body and 5 pairs of ventral gill slits. Examples include rays, trigon and pristis. Starting with the first type of example, that is of torpedo, that is also known as electric ray fish. Geographical distribution. It is widely found in Indian Ocean. Habit and habitat. Torpedo is a marine fish found on sandy or muddy bottom. It is carnivorous. Torpedo is known as electric ray because of the presence of a pair of electric organs. Whole body has brown background which is ornamented with irregularly shaped magenta colored spirals and spots. Skin is smooth and without scales. Mouth is transverse and ventrally situated. It is viviparous. Special features. Each electric organ is composed of hexagonal cells known as electroplexes, which are filled with jelly-like fluid and arranged vertically like prisms between upper and lower surfaces. Upper surface corresponds to anode and lower to cathode. Electric organs have offensive and defensive functions. Studying the second example, that is of trigon, known as stingray fish. Geographical distribution. It has been reported from India and Japan. Habit and habitat. Trigon is found lying quietly on the sea bottom. It is carnivorous. It also shows protective coloration to conceal itself from the enemies. Trigon is commonly known as stingray because of the presence of sting at the base of the tail. It consists of kite-shaped body and long whip-like tail. Mouth is ventral and rectangular. It is viviparous. Sexually dimorphic and male contains claspers. Identification. Fish has whip-like tail. Studying the third type of example, that is of Pristis, that is also known as saw fish. Geographical distribution. Pristis is found in tropical and subtropical regions. Habit and habitat. Pristis is a warm water marine type. It is predaceous. It has elongated shark-like body divided into head, trunk and tail. Body shape is midway between a shark and a ray. Snout is anteriorly produced into a saw-like rostrum with large and small embedded teeth. Economic importance. Its liver oil is rich in vitamin. Special features. The important structure is saw-like snout, which is formed by the elongation of head and skull. The teeth are fixed in the sockets. The rostrum acts as an organ of offense and defense. Identification. Fish has saw-like toothed snout. Now we will study second class, that is Osteichthyes. Characteristics include bony skeleton and skin with many mucous glands with embedded bony dermal scales. Class Osteichthyes has three superorder as follows. Superorder 1, Chondrostei, Superorder 2, Holostei and Superorder 3, Teleostei. Superorder 1, that is Chondrostei, has two orders as follows. Order 1, Polypteriformis and Order 2, Accipinceriformis. Starting with Order 1, that is Polypteriformis. Characteristics of this order include slender body, thick ganoid and rhombus scales. Example, Polypterus. Polypterus is also known as bichir. Geographical distribution. Polypterus is restricted to tropical Africa, the Nile, Nigeria and Congo. Habit and habitat. Polypterus is found in seawater. It feeds on small crustaceans and small fish. Polypterus is most primitive living bony fish. Body is elongated, cylindrical and covered with rhombic ganoid scales. Dorsal fin consists of a series of 5 to 18 isolated finlets. There is a pair of air bladders which probably acts as lungs. Intestine is with spiral valve. Larva possesses plume-like external gills resembling the gills of amphibian larva. Special features. Fish shows the combination of primitive and advanced characters. Primitive characters are non-overlapping scales, spiracle and a spiral valve in intestine. It also has advanced features like pyloric cecum in the gut and similar urinogenital system which bring them close to bony fish. Studying another order, that is Accipinceriformes. Special features of this order include long or paddle shaped snout and 8 rows of bony ganoid scutes. Example is Accipencer. Accipencer is also known as sturgeon fish. Geographical distribution. Accipencer is abundantly distributed in Black Sea and in rivers of Europe. Habit and habitat. Accipencer is a bottom-dwelling marine fish. They feed on small invertebrates, small fishes and aquatic plants. They are migratory fishes, anadromous, that is, ascending rivers for spawning. Its body is divided into head, trunk and tail. In the body, scales are represented by 5 longitudinal rows of bony scutes. Each plate is provided with a pointed and partly conical and backwardly directed spine. Head is produced ahead as a long flattened rostrum which is provided with well-developed 4 ventral barbels. It has well-developed swim bladder. Economic importance. The air bladder is used to prepare isinglass meant for cleaning wines. Black eggs of sturgeons are used to prepare a delicacy called as caviar. Special features. Accipencer exhibits primitive and secondary modified characters. They resemble elasmobranchs in having open spiracles, heterocircle tail and spiral valve in the intestine. Loss of bone shows secondary character. Identification. Sturgeon has 5 rows of bony scutes. Moving ahead, we will be studying second superorder, that is Holostei. It is intermediate form between Chondrostei and Teleost fishes. It has 2 orders, order 1 Amyliformes and order 2 Lepidostiformes. Starting with order 1, that is Amyliformes. Features of this order include long dorsal fin and overlapping cycloid scale. Example is provided by Amia fish. Amia is also known as bowfin. Geographical distribution. Amia is found in rivers and lakes of Central and Southern America. Habit and habitat. Amia is a freshwater and carnivorous fish feeding on crustaceans, insects and fishes. Shape of fish is fusiform and body is divided into head, trunk and tail. Dorsal fin is long and continuous for the greater part of the trunk and tail. Air bladder is often used as lung. Fish can breathe atmospheric air. It is sexually dimorphic. Females are larger than males. Male provided with a rounded black at the base of caudal fin. Special features. Amia calva is the only one living species. Amia shows combination of primitive and advanced characters. The primitive characters include vestigial spiral valve and the advanced characters include thin cycloid scales without ganoin. Identification. Fish has continuous dorsal fin. Order number 2, that is Lepidostiformes. Characters include elongated snout and body with ganoid and rhomboidal scales in oblique rows. Example is that of Lepidosteus. Lepidosteus is also known as garpike. Geographical distribution. It is distributed in United States of America. Habit and habitat. Lepidosteus is found in freshwater rivers. It feeds on small fishes. Its head is produced into snout. Both the jaws are elongated, covered with thick, hard and rhomboid scales. Air bladder is used as lung. Economic importance. Scales and skin of the fish are used in the making of handbags and arts. Special features. Primitive features such as cellular air bladder, ganoid coated scales, and advanced features include branched pyloric caecae. Identification. Toothed jaws and posterior dorsal fin. Now, we will be studying superorder 3, Teleosti. The common characters include light bony skeleton and hydrostatic swim bladder. It has 9 orders as follows. Order 1, Isospondyli. Order 2, Ostereophysi. Order 3, Ophiocephaliformes. Order 4, Apodes. Order 5, Synentognathi. Order 6, Solenichthys. Order 7, Percomorphi. Order 8, Discocephaly. And order 9, Dipnoi. We would study each of these in depth, starting with order 1, that is Isospondyli. Silvery marine fish with cycloid scale and homocircle tail are the features of this order. Common example of Isospondyli is salmon fish. Salmon fish is also known as trout. Geographical distribution. Salmon is distributed in fresh and marine water of North America. Habit and habitat. They are famous for their beauty and migratory habits. Young migrate to sea and mature in the sea from 2 to 8 years of age and then return to fresh water. Spindle shaped body divided into head, trunk and tail. Homocircle tail. Air bladder having open duct to pharynx. Economic importance. Salmon are much prized for food and game. Identification. Presence of adipose fin. Studying order number 2, that is Ostereophysi. The most prominent feature is air bladder communicate to pharynx. Classic example is that of Clarias. Geographical distribution. Clarias is present in South Africa and north of Northern Africa, Europe, Middle East and in parts of Asia. Habit and habitat. Tropical, freshwater, pelagic, benthic, lakes and ponds, rivers and streams, temporary pools and brackish water. Clarias is potamodromous, migrating within streams and rivers. Adaptive to extreme environmental conditions and can live in pH range of 6.5 to 8. Bottom dwellers and they feed there. Clarias is obligate air breathers, one of the last species to inhabit places with poorly oxygenated water. It secretes mucus that prevents drying and allows burrowing in muddy surface. Economic importance is in fisheries and fish culture. Identification. Sharp tooth catfish. Order 3, Ophiocephaliformes. Characters of this order include snake-like head and accessory respiratory organs. Example is provided by Ophiucephalus. Ophiucephalus punctatus, also known as snake-headed fish. Geographical distribution. It is distributed in India. Habit and habitat. Fresh water ponds. They are able to survive drought in semi-fluid or beneath dry mud, and they have an accessory bronchial cavity for aerial breathing. Body is divided into head, trunk and tail. Dorsal and anal fin are long. Air bladder is long. Economic importance. Ophiucephalus is eaten as food. Flesh is used to cure ulcers. Special features. It can breathe atmospheric air due to the presence of a suprabronchial cavity. Identification. Snake-headed fish. Order 4. Apods. The most common feature of this order is long and slender body. Example is that of Anguilla, which is also known as eel fish. Geographical distribution. It is widely distributed in India. Habit and habitat. It is a catadromous fish and it can live several hours out of water. Body is elongated, slender and snake-like. Pelvic fins are absent. Special features. Eels have peculiar breeding habits, and both the American and European eels, when about 60 cm long, they become sexually mature. Identification. They have snake-like body. Order 5. Synantognathae. Pectoral fins is large and high on body. Example is that of Exocetus. Exocetus is also known as flying fish. Geographical distribution. It is distributed in Indian Ocean. Habit and habitat. It is pelagic and feeds on fishes. Pectoral fins are exceptionally large, spread like wings and make gliding flights. Pelvic fins are developed and adapted for lifting the body. Economic importance. It also serves as food. Special features. It is not a true flying fish. The fish can glide over the water surface up to 400 meters. Identification. It has large pectoral fins. Order 6. Solanichthys. The common characters of this order include tubular snout with suctorial mouth and bony rings or protective scales over body. The most common example of this order include seahorse and pipefish. Syngnathus, that is pipefish. Geographical distribution. It is widely distributed in Indian Ocean. Habit and habitat. It is found in marine and brackish water. Syngnathus is compressed and elongated fish covered by ring-like exoskeletal bands and body divided into head, trunk and tail. Mouth is suctorial, toothless and lies at the end of the snout. Males are provided with brood pouch on the ventral side of the abdomen formed by the fold of skin. Fish swims in vertical position. Special features. The young ones develop in the brood pouch till they hatch. Identification. Fish has pipe-like body. Studying another example of hippocampus, also known as seahorse. Geographical distribution. It has cosmopolitan distribution. Habit and habitat. Seahorse swims upright holding a weed with their tail. Hippocampus, commonly known as seahorse because its anterior end is shaped like the neck and head of a horse. Body is covered by rigid exoskeletal armor of ring-like bony plates. Males contain brood pouches which carry eggs until they hatch. Tail is prehensile. Special feature. Hippocampus is a vertically swimming fish. Identification. Hippocampus has horse-shaped head and snout. Order 7. Percomorphy. It has preceded dorsal and anal fins and air bladder without duct. Example is provided by Anabas. Anabas is also known as climbing perch. Geographical distribution. It is widely distributed in India. Habit and habitat. Anabas is a freshwater fish. It can live out of water for a long period. Male exhibits parental care. Body of fish is covered by cycloid scale and is divided into head, trunk and tail. They have accessory respiratory organs. There are two chambers, one on each side of the head, that contain concentrically arranged wavy plates, also known as the labyrinthine organs. The plates are covered with vascular membrane. Special features. Anabas is able to walk on land by spines in search of food. It cannot climb the tree, though it is known as climbing perch. Studying the second last order, order 8, Discocephaly. The most common character is dorsal fin modified into oval flat adhesive disc on upper surface of the head. Example is provided by Echinus. Echinus is also known as suckerfish. Geographical distribution. It is widely distributed in Indian Ocean. Habit and habitat. It is a common marine fish. It feeds on small fishes. It attaches itself by means of its adhesive disc to marine animals. Sucking disc is found on head. The disc develops from transformed spinous dorsal fin. Special features. The sucker fishes are employed to catch turtles on the east coast of Africa by the natives. It is a lazy fish, usually remains firmly attached to vertebrate animals. Identification. Sucking disc is found on the head. Studying the last type of order, order 9, that is Dipnoi. They are the lungfishes with diphyscercal tail. Examples include Protopterus, Lepidosiren and Neoceratodus. We will study all these examples in detail, starting with Protopterus, that is also known as African lungfish. Geographical distribution. It is found in the swamps of African continent, Nile, Congo Basin and Lake Tanganyika. Habit and habitat. They live in burrows made in muddy water. During estivation, they retire to vertical burrows, that is nests, in mud lined with mucus. Pectorals and pelvic fins are reduced to slender appendages and fin rays. They have 2 lungs. Larva contains 4 pairs of external gills. Special features. Protopterus is an air-breathing fish and has combination of specialized and primitive characters. Primitive characters are presence of spiral valve in the intestine, presence of notochord and cloaca. Specialized characters include cartilaginous cranium and presence of dental plates on jaws. Identification. Fish has slender modified appendages. Studying second example, Lepidosiren paradoxa, which is also known as American lungfish. Geographical distribution. It is found in river Amazon and plains of South America. Habit and habitat. Lepidosiren inhabits swampy places. It makes a burrow lined by mucus in muddy water and estivates in burrow during dry season constructed for this purpose. It has 2 lungs. Lateral line is present. Special features. Lepidosiren shows parental care forming L-shaped nests. This fish estivates in mud during dry season, but it has no cocoon formation. Lepidosiren shows combination of primitive and specialized characters. Primitive characters are unconstructed notochord and presence of spiral valve in intestine. Specialized characters are cartilaginous cranium and presence of dental plates on the jaws. Identification. This fish has reduced styliform paired appendages. Studying the last example of Neoceratodus, which is also known as Australian lungfish. Geographical distribution. It is found in Burret and Mary rivers of Australia and Queensland. Habit and habitat. This fish rises to the surface to engulf fresh air into lungs. It feeds on small animals and it does not estivate. Tail is diphyscercal. Paired fins are leaf-like or paddle-like. Single lung is present. Special features. Neoceratodus forsteri is the only living species and is considered as living fossil. The paired fins are modified into paddles. Like Protopterus and Lepidosiren, this fish also shows presence of same primitive and specialized characters. Identification. Fish has paddle-like paired appendages. Now, we would conclude the entire session that we have discussed on classification of fishes. Fishes belong to phylum Chordata and subphylum Vertebrata. It is further classified into two classes, that is Chondrichthyes and Osteichthyes. Class Chondrichthyes has mostly cartilaginous fishes having two orders, whereas class Osteichthyes has three superorders. The superorder Chondrostei and Holostei has two orders each and the superorder Teleostei has 9 orders. Thus, this class, that is Osteichthyes, has more orders than the class Chondrichthyes. Thank you.